I decided that I'm going to do something different. I've always wanted to do my own video game, so I think now is the time. So I downloaded one tool, I guess. It's called RPG Maker MC. It's been around for like forever. Well, there've been like different versions. RPG Maker and then BXMB, I think XP 2003 2005. So yeah, there's been a lot of tools of RPG makers, and since it's the one that I'm having the closest one, I'll be like, yeah, let's use some of my Steam money that I have and I probably won't use ever at all. So yeah, let's go. Oops. Is this working? Oh, it did open in the other. Why it did open there? Okay. I have no idea what is this, but it's in Japanese. Okay. Right, let's see. Nuevo proyecto. Nombre. Test 1. I'm probably going to check a lot of tutorials, by the way. Does this tool have songs, MIDIs or something? It's just to put something on the background. Wow, what is this thing? Alright, so tamaño, prueba de juego. Oh, I can test the game already. Interesting. Oh, it does have music. That's very cool. Alright. Right, so there's like 4 characters already? How did that happen? They even have portraits as well. Nice. Right. Let's close it. So how does this work? Because I'm not sure how does this work. So with this I can create my own characters. Okay. I don't care that much about characters right now. We'll look into it another day. Whoa. Right, so this is the layers. What is 117? Bro. Yes. And if this thing stops opening on the other side, might be cool. Nothing happens. Can I use the WS? Okay, I can use the arrows, but not WASD. Okay, that's one thing. Second, to close one thing. Right. I guess we'll go check tutorials and all that things. Dibujar, capa, tamaño. Prueba de sonido. Right. There's some good music there. Stop. Holy shit. This is a little bit. Okay, so I guess I got things. ABCR. I don't know what's this for. Let's delete them. Go to what I'm supposed to do with this. Right. Edición de evento. Can put things. Okay. Cancel. Right. Let's take our first tutorials. My PC is low because I have the game on, I have a few other things on. RPG Maker MZ. How does it work? Tutorial for beginners. Let's go. You guys are going to learn with me. Oh yeah.
Hey guys, how you guys doing today? Welcome to my brand new tutorial video on RPG Maker MZ. Today we're going over the engine. We're going to be talking about what RPG Maker MZ is, why you should be using it, the pros and cons to using it. But before I move on, make sure to subscribe for more videos. It doesn't have to be an RPG game. You could pretty much make any game you want. The limitations are your imagination. Fast and easy to get started with. Anyone could pretty much make a game using this engine. When you start your RPG Maker MZ project, this is what you're going to see. So
Lies.
we're just gonna do a brief.
That's not what I'm saying. You guys say this? That's not what I'm saying. No. Alright. I believe this is the workshop? No. There's nothing. Oh, so I can... I see. Let's check the video.
Brief overview of everything, and then we're gonna give each section their own video. So when you open up the project, the first thing you will see is this big map editor, right? So this is where your maps will be drawn. This is also where you will set up your events, as well as some other stuff. We're gonna get into all of those, but that's what you do here. To the left of that is your tile sets, right? So your tile sets pretty much are what you use to draw on your map, right? Below that, you will see a whole bunch of tabs. Those are the tabs for your different tile sets, right? And then below that are your, it's pretty much your map tree, right? So your map tree is where you store your individual maps, and you could switch between all those maps.
Nice.
Right? All the way up here are your quick access, just like any Windows and window. You get some shortcuts for the stuff that live in these menus, right? These are your file stuff, these are your edit stuff, your mode, undo, your edit. These are your map modes, your layers, your draw tools, the scale, the game, and all the other little stuff that you can get. That's pretty much down here, right? So going into file, this is where you control your project. As in, make a new project, open up the project, close the project, save and upload to Steam, and upload to Steam, and all the good stuff like that, right? This is also where you export your game. If you want, after you're done, you hit development and you can export your game. Edit, regular edit, window stuff, copy, paste and stuff. So the mode is how you switch between making a map or editing your events. Now you will notice that once you switch it to event mode, the tile sets will change into a list of all the events that's on the current map, right? So draw, again, like I said, it's your draw tools that you use to draw on the map, like the rectangle, the sphere, fill, and then your shadow tool, right? Layer pretty much sets what layer you're going to be drawing on. You could have it set to automatic and the system will handle it all for you, or you could switch between different layers to draw on a specific layer. Scale is your zoom in, zoom out, nothing special. Oh, let's switch this back and what do we have? Tools is pretty much where you're going to be working in most of the time. You're going to be using these. So tools include your database, and your database is pretty much a collection of all the items, characters, and all the data for your game, right?
Pretty cool.
So you will come here, you will set up all this data, and then as you're playing the game, these are the stuff that the players will be interacting with. Plugin manager, this is where you will come and load in your plugins, turn them on and off, or edit their plugin parameters to suit your game better. Sound test is where you see all the sound in the game and you can hear what they sound like. Resource manager is how you import stuff, and if you have a DLC folder, you could import all your DLC files using this. So you could literally import all the different files that you need for your game using this. I skipped that for a reason. Character creator, this is where you come in and create a character. You can randomize it, so it pretty much uses some custom made pieces to generate characters. You could add more art
Super
to
ugly,
it
but okay.
to generate more parts and stuff like that. Options for the engine, kinda. So if you change this, the color here will change, and then you can show a grid if you want to change the UI, right? But let's change that back to let's just cool. So game is where you come in to playtest your game. You could skip the title screen as you playtest. You could open up your game folder, and you could update your core script from here, and a whole bunch of other cool stuff.
Okay.
All right, guys, that's pretty much it for this video. And help is where you do your help stuff. You go to the tutorial, and it will walk you through making the tutorial and stuff like that. And you could also open up the
There are tutorials in the
manual.
game.
You know people love manuals.
Okay. You deserve a like, my friend.
Manuals.
No.
So if you
I
guys
don't like
are
them.
confused about anything that I'm talking,
But good for you. There you go. A like for you. Alright, let's go for. And then where's my thing? Tutorial. Oh, it's in English. Oh, kinda sucks. You can go to the what? Click new project. Okay. No. Change the title name. Okay. Test. Test again. Test A. Click OK. The right side of the screen. Why is it so fucking small, man? Can't see anything. It's even smaller now. Alright, I'll have to read it for you guys. The right side of the screen is the map. On the upper left is the tile palette for the map. On the lower left is the map list. Great. You can see that. Click here to switch to map mode. Wait, here. What is it taking me? Yeah. I'm not sure what is it telling me. Click here to switch. Here? Yeah. Okay, I think I'm on map mode. I think. This is the tile set palette. Select the tile here and it will draw on the map. Okay. Now for more detailed explanation on tile sets, click database. What the fuck is the database? Lápiz, rellenar, ellipse. There we go, database. Here is tiles It is tile set, so click it. Where? This tile set settings screen. The mode is important. In fill you can specify the field type or area type. Okay. I'm not sure what is it telling me. This thing. Mapa normal. Mapa mundi. Okay. Click OK. Okay. In map mode you can draw your map, and in event mode you can place events. Okay. You can zoom in. Okay, let me just delete this thing. How do I delete now? Okay, so this is the map. It's terrible, but this is the map. Click zoom in to magnify the map. Zoom out to shrink the map. Pressing Ctrl key. Hold the center automatic to magnify. Okay. Not inside the window. Click the actual size to rest the map. Okay. Now we're done with map. Zoom in. Next is an explanation of the map tree on the lower left. Right click to change the map name. Okay. Click edit. Change the name to field map. Field map. Next. Click OK. Next we'll place tiles on the map from the tile palette. Click map. Map. Click tile set B. Scroll down and click on the town on the town on square one. This one. Which one? There's quite a few though. I think he's telling me this one. I think. Click to put a town. Scroll up and click on the cave tile. Click to put a cave. Nice. Next we'll create a town and cave maps. This time we'll use a sample map. Right click to load a town map. Where? Click load sample map. Normal town. Click OK. Oh! That's pretty cool. Okay. Right click to load a cave map. Sample. Stone cave. Cueva de piedra. Okay. Next we'll link each map to the field using events so they can be entered and exited freely. Click map to edit the field map. Yeah. Click event. Right click the town. Select quick event creation. Transfer. Location. Normal town. Click on the entrance of the town on top here. Click OK. Click normal town from the map tree. Right click on the entrance of the town on top. Select quick event creation, transfer, quick location, field map, then click the town. Okay. Click OK. Right click the created event. Click copy. Right click and exit tile to fill the exit. paste, paste, click field map, one click the cave, location, stone cave, okay. This is the entrance, okay. No wait, where is the entrance in this game? You sure that's the entrance? Right click at the exit of the cave below. That's the exit, I guess. Select quick event creation, transfer, click location, via map, click the cave, click OK. Now we're done placing our transfer events next to determine the player's initial position. Click normal town, right click a tile on the road, any I guess, select starting position player, whoever, save project, this one. That's it, click playtest. Okay guys, I have my first game. Uh-oh, something's fucked up here. Okay, I need to fix that. Okay, there's something here that I need to fix. Okay, let's try now. It should work, but I don't know. Yeah, save. And still takes me there. Okay, there's something wrong here. Something very wrong. This can be deleted. How do I delete something that I don't need anymore? Hello. Maybe from here. Ah, there we go. Okay, so there's something wrong though. Ah, there we go. Okay, I need you to be, I don't know, there. Except, let's see now. It's pissing me off right now. Alright. Ah, perfect. Nice. Oh, I can run as well. Alright, so there's no fights at all. How do I implement a battle or something? Cool, that's something to check now. So how do I put some music in this game? Alright. Tutorial. So I've done the basics, map basics, even basics dialogue. Do you have the project we finished in step 1? Yes. Loading. Where the fuck is it? Project loaded. Yes. Now we'll start the tutorial. Character and conversation development is done using events. This time we'll create a character event. Click normal town. First assignment where the character will be placed. The coordinates are shown in the taskbar at the bottom of the screen. Alright. I don't have any coordinates though, but okay. We'll be placing a crossroad near the town entrance on 1716. 1716. What the fuck is that? 1716. This is 1716. Double click on that position, the event detail will launch. Alright. First let's choose her appearance. Double click image. This one. This time we'll pick an adult woman as an example. Actor 1. Select the rightmost one from the top row. There's quite a few though. Fuck it, I'll pick this one. Notice that the priority has changed from below characters to same as characters. Where if the priority is set to below, then it will display under the play. If it's the same, they won't overlap. What the fuck does it tell me this thing? Oh, here. Okay. Next, let's name the event Villager 1. Villager 1. Alright. Event names are not required, but their user will make in references from other events. In this tutorial, we give real examples using names later. Okay. Check that the trigger is set to action button. This thing. Right, now what? This is the condition required to activate the event. If set to action button, it will activate when the button is pressed. If it's player touch, it will activate when touched. What? Now let's set the contents. Double click the first line in contents. Contents. Alright. Make sure you're on the page 1 tab. Right? Click show text. Input villager as the name. Villager. Type hello world. The usual hello world into the text box. You can change how the text you've input will be shown with preview. Okay. There are control characters you can use to change the font size and color of the text. Okay. Let's change the villager to another color. Change the name to... What the fuck? I have to remember that shit. It's going to be super hard. To villager slash C brackets O close and replace hello world with hello slash, I guess this is a stupid break or something, and show that all the control characters are all 1-byte characters. I have no idea what you just told me, but okay. Please preview your text. Hello rate. We will replace by the main character's name. This line shows the effect of control characters. Cool. Close the preview panel once you're done. Check if there are many other control characters you can use. Right. Now we're done with text display. Click OK to set a text. Next we'll show choices. Double click the next empty line after the text. First we'll open show text once more to write the questions. Put the question text something like, please get rid of the bees in the neighboring cave. Get rid of the bees in the neighboring cave. Alright. Nada, ventana parte inferior. Show choices. We'll make them just yes and no. There are all the options, but I'll find assist for now. Click OK and it will be set. Now fields labeled when yes and when no have appeared. You can describe the event for each case within these fields. Now for an explanation about balloon icons. These are music notes, hearts, and other symbols that display above the event. This time we'll use them in place of dialogue. Double click the line under when yes. Go to page 2 and click show balloon icon. Mostrar o enseñar. Yeah. Choose this event for the character and heart for the balloon icon. Okay. Choose this event for the character, cut one for the balloon icon. You can add dialogue after balloon icon, but even if you don't, the sentiment should be clear. Click on OK and set be clear. Save the project. Playtest, make sure. Okay. Alright, let's see if it works. Hello, Reed. No. Ay, what the fuck? Alright, that was funny. Alright, boys, so that was it for today. Gotta do another thing. I'll come back. I gotta do my dinner. So maybe I can do tutorial 3. I'll be back on a second. Alright boys, let's do another tutorial. This was pretty bad, but fuck it. Event transfer 1. Warning. Okay. Do you have the project finished in step 2? Yes. Keep telling you yes, and then you should just. Alright, project loader. Normal town. There are 2 ways to move an event. You can say autonomous movement or use the event command. Set movement route. We'll deal with the former this time. Let's say autonomous movement for the character we created instead. Event searcher. Which way? This thing? Nah, yes. Click event name. So apparently now it should be moving. Oh yes, she is moving. No. Yes. That's very interesting. Next, we create a character that moves around the same place. As an example, we create someone who moves around the town center. Click slightly below the town center at the coordinate 1721. 1721. Right. We'll do the various settings for the event. Double click image. Select actor 2. Name her actor 2. I don't know, fuck it. Any will do. Town center villager. Next. Patrolling. Set the speed to full normal. This one, okay. Set the frequency to 5 highest. Now we'll set her to walk around the statue. Set type to custom. Click route and you can set the movement route. If you click a movement command on the right, it will be added to the list on the left. Okay, so move right, move up, move left, move down, and move right. Next. So the repeat movements option is checked off. Now the character will repeat her movements. Do not check off skip if cannot move. Okay. Click on preview. Click close. And a play test. What the fuck? Is that? Doesn't move anymore. Okay, there's something that I need to change though. What the fuck? Okay, that's it. I'll continue probably tomorrow. That was interesting. Alright boys, I'll see you later because I'm probably going to study a little bit. So